tired, the AI can tell. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The car doesn't just understand your emotions, it reacts to them. If the AI detects signs of fatigue, it might suggest a break or adjust the car's internal environment to keep you alert. If it senses you're stressed, it could activate calming ambient music or adjust the driving settings for a smoother ride. In essence, your car becomes a co-pilot, understanding your emotional state and reacting to ensure a safe and pleasant journey. What does the advent of emotional AI mean for the future of driving? Let's delve into this fascinating topic. The potential impact of emotional AI on driving is enormous. Foremost, it's a game changer for safety, particularly in preventing accidents caused by drowsy or distracted drivers. Imagine a vehicle that understands when you're tired or losing focus and responds accordingly. It could slow down, activate alarm systems, or even take over control if necessary. This could save countless lives, reduce injuries, and make our roads safer. But that's not all. Emotional AI can also transform the driving experience itself. How, you ask? By personalizing settings based on your mood. Feeling stressed after a long day at work? Your car could adjust the lighting, play soothing music, or even suggest a less congested route home. It's like having a personal assistant who understands not just what you need, but how you feel. Yet, as we marvel at these possibilities, it's also important to address the ethical and privacy concerns associated with emotional AI. As our cars become more emotionally intelligent, we must ensure that our personal data is protected and used responsibly. We need robust regulations and transparency to maintain trust and prevent misuse. As we steer towards a future where cars understand our emotions, we are not just changing how we drive, but also redefining our relationship with technology.